everyone. Lovely to be chatting with you and connecting with you. I wish I could see you all right now, but I hope that you've had a fantastic week. It's been very different for you, for the teachers, for your parents, trying to get used to online teaching. I just want to say well done. I've heard such good things about how you are all managing and how well you are doing and how well your parents are doing, and just keep going. If you have anything that's special that you do during the week and you want us to know about it, then we can announce it at this assembly time. Isn't it a strange thing for me to be standing here in my home trying to connect with all of you and having this kind of an assembly where I can't see all your lovely faces? Oh well, hopefully it won't be too much longer. But anyway, I do have something interesting to tell you. Wait for this.